What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol LCID for Lucid Group. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We've talked about it extensively on the channel in the past. The last time, we were discussing the relative strength as it was consolidating up here. However, into the end of the week, it certainly did break down just a little bit. Let's take off the support trend line. That's no longer really in play, and what I want to focus on is the structure of Friday's candle off of a known area of support, right? Technically, we have a hammer candle, longer lower wick, supporting at an area of support. Buyers stepped up where we would have expected them to. So what is this set up for a long trade? Well, quite simply put, I'm looking at this on the 30-minute chart as the number to beat. If we do something like that, 47.32, you can see prior support in here, then turned resistance into the end of day on Friday. If we take it out, there's about a $3 move available into the back test of 50.30. Now remember that 50.30 is an important number here. Not only is it the bottom of this overhead supply, but if we do something like this, scrunch up the chart, it was the prior top end of the gap, right? So it is a noteworthy level there at 50.30, and I wouldn't just sort of shrug it off, right? That long into that, you should start booking profits aggressively up against that area of resistance in my estimation. Now, if we can't break out up and over that 47.32, then I'm going to start to look at this as just bear flag consolidation on the 30 and a breakdown underneath the lows of day from Friday, if we go ahead and throw that on, are going to take us lower. You can clearly see how these are stacked almost evenly. We're going to start classifying that as more of a flush point. If it gets retested, look for lower to bring us into about 42. Then anything underneath does start to open the door to this prior support point from in here. Also, daily 50 estimate, the blue line, as of right now, closer to about 36. The likely scenario based on everything we've discussed and the structure at play is this hammer candle resulting in a little bit of a bounce into about 50.30 in my estimation. So that's what I'll be watching out for. If the move is lower, I would really love to see some sort of pattern, right? I'm not really going to feel comfortable blindly buying 42. Would love for there to be some sort of double bottom, break of the neckline. Could even do something like this, break down further, inverted head and shoulders, neckline break takes you back higher. Some sort of pattern, right? If we do break down underneath Friday's lows. That's really going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.